Hi guys, Adrian here, and I'm on the Aussie US dollar 15-minute chart. I'm at this candle here, and at this point all signs and signals for entering a short trade have been met, and I've set my stop loss and my take profit target levels, and I'm now entering the trade. And now we can see our trades stop loss and take profit levels are set out here. And at this point, I am going to monitor the trade, so I'll be back a bit later to check on its progress. And now I'm back, and we can see the price has moved down, and it's just above my take profit level. So I'm going to just wait and see a bit longer. Okay, and I'm back again, and we can see that the take profit target's been hit. Nice profitable trade. We entered it here, at which point all my conditions for entering a trade had been met, and stayed in the trade until it hit my take profit target. And this trade occurred over just over 4 hours, from entry to exit, $1,880 profit. Thanks for watching, guys.